Okay. Sarkin Wasa of Lokoja, the Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of Face of Kakanda, His Royal Highness Muhammadu Baba Idanuko is one of those affected by the flood occurrence. So we want to talk to him now as we went round together to see the affected areas. So we are in Kabawa now. Now we are paddling back to another area that is affected. So, Zaki, salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Yeah, can you talk to us about what is happening?
Well,
The last 1 week in Lokoja.
flood 2022 is far way beyond that of 2012, and it comes with a lot of devastated moments for its citizens. As you can see, businesses, houses submerged, and the residents of Lokoja and people living within an environment does not get it easily from the flood. And as such, we wish and hope government and private individuals, well-to-do individuals in the society will come to the aid of those whom the flood has submerged their houses, destroyed their businesses. And as we all know, many among those whom the flood has affected are those that if they didn't come out for a day, they might not earn a living. And you can imagine how devastated they could be right now. But what would we say? Allah has whichever solution to whichever problem or predicament we are facing.
Thank you very much. As a leader who is also directly affected, what immediate help and do you think you can ask for yourself and of course for others who have been affected? Because we went to your business premises and we also saw that it has negatively also affected the area. So what are the helps that you can specifically ask for now?
Well,
not for you alone,
yeah,
but for those you know are affected too.
Well, I would say a lot of people right now, they will need humanitarian assistance in terms of shelter, edible and non-edible things as well. And for those whom business premises are largely affected as well, some might not want to go back to the same environment, but peradventure they don't have capital or means to move from that arena. You certainly will not expect them to go. They want to go back to their businesses. So whichever way government and individuals can help, they should. Nothing is too small at this period for many people whom are finding it difficult to survive this period.
Thank you very much.